Hi, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mr. Dunleavy. I'm one of the math teachers at Armstrong High School. If you're watching this, it probably means you have a student who is taking my regular Algebra 2 class. The purpose of this video is to kind of tell you what's going on with this year. I've been hearing over the last few years about this new idea for teaching math, and I thought this year would be a great year to try it out. It's called a flipped classroom. What happens is, and the reason it's called flipped is, at home the student watches a video or does some prep work that would normally be done in class. For example, most of the ones I've done so far are videos of a condensed version of my lectures, and then they do the problems, which are normally assigned for homework, in the classroom with me so I can answer any questions they have, things like that, make sure they're doing okay. Videos I've done so far are somewhere between 10 and 15 minutes. I'm trying to get things nice and condensed so that the videos aren't too long. They're all found online, so basically the same place you found this video. So far the videos are a little on the dry side because right now it's just quick reviews of things that they covered in Algebra 1, but hopefully that'll change as the year moves on. Sorry, my computer just beeped at me. And again. But I think this is going to be a really good concept. I'm really kind of excited about it. Rather than them sitting there in the classroom and listening to me go on and point at things, this is how it goes, and then they get home and, well, first they always had time to work on their homework, and they do okay there in class, but once they get home they kind of forgotten what happened, and they come the next day, oh, I forgot too much and I still have a bunch of questions, and that slowed our progress down. We weren't covering what we need. Well, we weren't covering things as well as we could have been doing. So this way, kind of talking head part of the day is done at home on their own time. It's only going to take, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes. Everybody said at the end of last year that they had internet access, so that shouldn't be a problem. And then it's all doing the problems together. Some days it might be small group work, other days it might be the class as a whole working on problems. And of course this also frees up a lot of time in case there are projects we'd like to do or some sort of experiments that'll kind of demonstrate the mathematical concepts we're covering. That frees up all that time in the classroom for this, so it's not just day in, day out, it's the exact same thing. So there might be some technical difficulties. Like I said, this is brand new for this year, so bear with me. One of the best things I think is going to be that when conferences come around, you don't have to say, well, it's been 20 years since I've done this stuff and I used to know it, but I can't really help my student. Well, here you don't even really have to, because all that's going to be done in class, and two, you're going to get a review, if you watch those videos yourselves, of the same material. So I'm really excited about this year. If you have any questions, I think my email should be up there on that website. If not, call the school and let me know and I'll get it up there. And yes, you can call the school at any time and get a hold of me that way. Thanks, I'm really looking forward to this year, and hope to stay in contact with you.